Good morning and good afternoon to every viewers who's watching the video, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your trust wallet error in iPhone. So by that I mean, let's say you're facing some problem of your trust wallet. I'm going to be giving you two common ways on how you guys can fix those error. Now I do not know what error you guys are facing, but the solution I'm going to be telling you guys, if you use that, then it's going to fix your error, because this is like the common way to fix common problem caused in trust wallet. All right, so let me show you guys, or let me tell you guys how you guys can follow that step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first step is you want to check if your trust wallet is like up to date. Sometimes you don't update your trust wallet, and due to it not being updated for a long period of time, due to some bugs, it's going to be causing you this problem. Once you update your trust wallet to the latest version, it should be fixed. And even after updating your trust wallet, it's not fixed, the next step you can do is check your internet connection. Sometimes due to slow internet connection, your trust wallet starts lagging and it's not going to work properly, and it's going to show you some error as well. So make sure to check if your internet connection is stable or fast enough to run trust wallet. If your internet is slow, just use your data connection, because data connections are faster than internet. And the other way to fix a problem is just delete your trust wallet, reinstall it again. Sometimes doing this literally fixes a problem, deleting, reinstalling it again. And the other problem is, let's say your funds are being transferred to any other wallet, or like your funds are simply disappearing from your trust wallet. This is not a problem. This is basically your trust wallet being hacked. So if you're facing this problem, then the simplest way to fix this is to create another trust wallet account and then transfer all the funds which is on your this trust wallet account into that trust wallet account. Because once your secret recovery phrase is leaked, because that's the only way somebody can steal your crypto from your wallet, once your secret recovery phrase is leaked, the only way to secure your crypto is to transfer it to another wallet. So if you're facing that problem, please transfer your crypto as fast as you can before the hacker tries to drain your wallet. All right, so that's how you guys can do it. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, everybody. See you guys next time. Bye bye.